In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed documents in Confluence. If you've ever wanted your team to view files right on a page without hunting through attachments, embedding is the way to go. We'll look at a few easy ways to get your files into the editor and then fine-tune how they appear so your page is clear, compact, and useful. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page you want to work on. Enter Edit mode so you can add content. With the editor open, one of the fastest ways to bring in content is to drag files straight from your computer onto the page. You'll see an upload indicator, and once it finishes, the file will appear where you dropped it. This is perfect for images, PDFs, and common Office documents. If you have multiple files, you can drag them all at once, and they'll upload together. A quick tip, keep file names clean and descriptive so they're easy to find later in the attachments panel and search. If you prefer using the toolbar, click Insert at the top, then choose Files and Images. This opens a picker that lets you browse your computer, select the file you need, and confirm. This method is handy when you want to be precise about placement because the file inserts right where your cursor is. If the upload feels slow, keep an eye on file size and your connection. Large media can take a moment. For an even quicker keyboard-friendly option, type a / in the editor and start typing file. Choose the Files and Images command from the menu that appears. This brings up the same picker without lifting your hands from the keyboard. It's great for power users and helps you keep your editing flow. Once your file is on the page, click its thumbnail to configure how it appears. You can display it as an embedded image when visuals are key, a thumbnail to keep the layout compact and let readers expand on demand, or a simple text link if you want a minimal footprint. Think about your audience and page length. Embedded views are great for quick scanning, while thumbnails and links help long pages stay readable. You can usually adjust alignment and size from the same controls, and adding meaningful alt text improves accessibility and search. That's all you need to embed documents smoothly in Confluence. Choose the insertion method that matches your workflow, then tailor the display so your content is clear, professional, and easy for teammates to use.